morning, children. We have explained already two or three topics. Today, explaining our topic, different types of pollutions. Different types of pollutions. For example, 7 different types of pollutions. What are there? 7 different types of pollutions. First one, water pollution. First one, water pollution. Second one, thermal pollution. Thermal pollution. Third one, land pollution. Third one, land pollution. Fourth one, noise pollution. Noise pollution. Noise pollution. Fifth one, air pollution. Air pollution. Fifth one, air pollution. Sixth one, lighting pollution. Light pollution. Seventh one, pesticide. Pesticide pollution. Pesticide pollution. Those 7 types of the pollutions, different types of the pollution. The first one is the water pollution. Water pollution the fresh water. The fresh water discharging into the different types of pollutions. The water pollution is the one of the 2 types. Conventional pollution. Conventional pollution. Conventional pollution. Another one, non-conventional. Non-conventional. Non-conventional pollution. Conventional pollution means water pollution in the different types. We are using the houses water, industrial releasing the chemical water and drainage water, rivers and oceans. Those are the different types of the polluted in towns or villages or rain and biochemicals. Those are using in the water pollution. The water pollutions 2 types. The one other the conventional pollutions. Another one non-conventional. Conventional directly polluted water. Non-conventional indirectly. Indirectly means for example ocean. Non-conventional pollution in seas or ocean and rivers, those water the polluted indirectly. For example, bio animals died in the rivers, in the water. It is the non-conventional pollutions. Another one, thermal pollutions. The thermal pollutions in the majorly 2 types. What are there? In the fuel. Fossil fuel in the one type in the thermal pollution. One causes fossil fuel. fossil fuel. Another one, next one type of fossil fuel. Another one, nuclear electric power generator. Nuclear electric power generating. Nuclear electric power generating. Those type of two types of the thermal polluted. In the fossil fuel means in the coal. The coal is the burning. The coal burning in, for example, power generating. Further, nuclear electric power generator. Those two types of the thermal in the pollutions. Other one, land pollution. The land pollution in nowadays in the more production, the farmers and they are thinking the innovative and sciences in the population. Our country and another countries in the population is more than population. The land is not increasing. So when the population is increasing, the food grains did not insufficient in the population. So the scientists and agriculturists and they are using the chemicals and fertilizers. So it is land is the polluted in the land pollution. Another one, noise pollution. Noise pollution means the noise in vehicles and industrials and another one in the noise pollution. The air pollution. The industrials, the releasing the waste, the smokes and waste material and waste chemicals in the releasing in the outside. After the manufacturing, the industrial releasing the wastage and the wastage in the farming in the environment, the farming in the environment and gases, it is the air pollution. The light pollution. The light pollutions in the lighting in every town, every in the districts and every villages, they are using the heavy lighting. The natural lighting is the sky is the releasing in the night time. But in the our the humans the using the heavy lighting. It is the in the lighting pollutions. The pesticide pollutions. The pesticide pollution in agriculture field. In the chemicals and pesticides. In the highly yielding field. In agriculture, the food grain who are in the cultivating the agriculture, so they are using in short time in the completion of the crop in yearly 3 seasons. In the yearly 3 seasons, rainy season, winter season and summer season. The crops also in the cultivating the 3 seasons, Kharif season, Rabi season and Jaya season. So the completely in the within 3 months crops, within 3 months or 4 months crops, they are using in the pesticides. So in these type of the pesticides pollutions, different types of pollutions, 7 types. What are there? Water pollution, thermal pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, air pollution and light pollution and pesticide pollution. The first one is the water pollution is in the conventional pollution. The second one is the non-conventional pollution. In the thermal pollution is in the caused by the 2 types. In the fossil fuel. The fossil fuel, one of the cause of the thermal pollution. Another one, second one is in the nuclear electric power generating. Those type of in the thermal pollution. Another one, land pollution and noise pollution and air pollution. So in the please note down the students in the different types of the pollutions is the completed our topic today.